Well, good morning. Here we are in Harrogate. Today we've got quite a big job. We're working on this brick semi-detached house. The owner's putting this property on the market next week, and she wants it looking spick and span for the estate agents when they come round to take some pictures. It's quite a big job. There's a large concrete driveway to the front, which is really rather worse for wear. Needs quite a bit doing. To the rear is really quite a large area comprising of a big deck and a patio area. There's quite a bit to do. Let's just have a quick look around and see what's going to be involved. So this concrete driveway, quite a lot of cracks in it, quite a bit of moss and weeds. Here we've got a large deflated hot tub. Not sure what we're going to do about that. Here we've got a decking area. It's quite spacious. It's a big deck actually, and it's been laid fairly recently and is in pretty good condition, although there are some patches of green algae and so on, which should be quite slippery when wet actually. We've got a large patio area, so quite a lot to do. Let's get started. Well, we've got the front done, and I think you'll agree that's looking absolutely fantastic, loads better. Right, we're around the back now. We're going to make a start on the decking. Now, the important thing to remember about timber decks is that the timber is fragile. You can cause it damage if you use too much pressure. So I'll throttle down the power washer, and we're going to be applying just an even low pressure to all of the deck. And all we want to do is just clean it, remove any algae, get rid of the slippiness, so that it's a good first impression for any prospective buyers that come round to look at the property. Well, we've got the lower patio area done now, and these grey flags have come up looking absolutely magnificent. Wonderful job, pleased with that. Back up onto the main deck area. This had quite a bit of green algae down there, which was making it quite slippy, difficult especially in the autumn and the winter. But that's come up really nice, pleased with that too.